Every remarkable journey begins with a single step. And for us at Vijaya Diagnostic Center, the first step way back in 1981 was guided by a remarkable vision of our founder and chairman, Dr. Surendranath Reddy. He pioneered the concept of offering reliable and accurate diagnostic services under one roof at affordable prices in a customer-centric manner. Since then, there was no looking back. For over 4 decades and still led by the founding family, Vijaya Diagnostic Center has become a trusted household name across Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, renowned for its quality diagnostic services. Beginning with a single center in Hyderabad in 1981, Vijaya Diagnostic has grown to over 160 centers across 25 cities and towns in 6 states of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Kolkata, Karnataka, and NCR, with the trust and support of our referring clinicians and loyal customers, making Vijaya Diagnostics the largest integrated B2C diagnostic company. Dr. Surendranath Reddy, a proud alumnus of Kurnool Medical College, was deeply committed to giving back to his roots. This dedication inspired Vijaya Diagnostic to establish its first center outside Hyderabad in Kurnool in 2013, featuring a state-of-the-art facility unlike any other. With the overwhelming support and trust of referring clinicians on the brand, Vijaya Diagnostics now operates 5 centers in Kurnool and has expanded with 3 more centers in the nearby districts such as Nandyal and Vanaparthi, and is also committed to open more centers in the neighboring regions like Produttur, Anantapur in near future. After a decade of successful operations in Kurnool, we have fully renovated our flagship center at Gayatri Estate, Kurnool. The upgraded facility now boasts of a state-of-the-art equipment including a 3T MRI, a 1.5T MRI, a 160-slice cardiac CT, bone densitometry, digital mammography, digital X-ray with stitch technology, and an advanced automated lab. This renovation is a testament to our commitment to the region and our gratitude to the clinicians who have placed their trust in our brand. Guided by our mission to deliver the highest quality and accuracy and to equip our professionals with the best technology, we continuously invest in the latest state-of-the-art equipment. Our top priority is the safety of both our customers and professionals. This commitment is evidenced by our achievement of being the second lab in India to receive NABL accreditation in the 90s and one of the first diagnostic centers to be accredited by ISO and NABH. We have built a dedicated team of over 300 specialized and super specialized doctors, all committed to upholding the highest standards of quality and clinical excellence. Our focus is on delivering reliable, high-quality results. This commitment is reflected in the fact that today, more than 50% of our cases are either referred for abnormal findings or to seek a second opinion, recognizing us as a trusted tertiary care center. Our laboratory is one of the only 4 centers in the country to be approved by CDC Atlanta for confirmatory TB testing in India. We were on the forefront in introducing many of the firsts in diagnostics in India, right from launching an ultrasound in 1981, setting up nuclear medicine in 86, to introducing PET CT in 2005. At Vijaya Diagnostic Center, we are dedicated to introducing even more innovations, with your continued support being essential to our mission. As we strive to deliver exceptional service and maintain the trust placed in us, especially in Kurnool City, we are committed to enhancing patient care and meeting diagnostic needs with excellence. We once again sincerely thank all the doctors who have supported us throughout this journey.